You're being lied to about saving gas, and those miracle hacks you've heard? Most are complete nonsense. Some will just drain your wallet, and some can even destroy your engine. I've personally inspected 437 engines ruined by these myths. Today, I'm exposing 15 fuel-saving lies that cost drivers over $2,300 per year, with receipts, dyno tests, and cold hard facts to prove it. Stick around, and I'll even show you one free trick that added 2.1 miles per gallon to my Ford F-150. No scams, no additives, just real results. Let's dive in. Myth 1. Premium gas improves mileage. Premium gas is not a magic elixir for your engine. Unless your car specifically requires it, using premium is a waste of 50 cents to $1 per gallon. The Federal Trade Commission found that 87% of vehicles show zero improvement in mileage or performance with premium fuel. Even if it feels smoother, that's just your wallet being fooled. Running regular gas, tracking your MPG, and sticking to what your engine was designed for is the real key. Over time, using premium unnecessarily can even lead to carbon buildup, fouled O2 sensors, and rough idling. Stop donating extra money to oil companies. Myth 2. Idling uses less gas than restarting. Leaving your car running while parked doesn't save fuel, it wastes it. Modern fuel-injected engines are built to restart efficiently, and idling for just 10 seconds burns more fuel than turning the car off and back on. Over time, this can cost more than $200 per year. Starters are designed for thousands of cycles, so the fear of wear and tear is unfounded. Cut the engine if you're parked for more than 30 seconds. It saves gas, reduces emissions, and doesn't hurt your starter. Myth 3. Aftermarket fuel additives boost MPG. 99% of fuel additives are snake oil. Walk down any auto parts aisle, and you'll see bottles promising better mileage and cleaner engines. Yet EPA and AAA tests show almost none actually improve fuel economy. Your engine doesn't need magic juice. It needs maintenance. Clean injectors, healthy O2 sensors, fresh spark plugs, and gentle driving make real improvements. If you're paranoid, a $12 bottle of Techron every 5,000 miles is enough. Stop wasting $20 to $60 on empty promises. Myth 4. Turning off the AC saves tons of gas. Rolling down the windows instead of using AC won't save much, especially at highway speeds. Open windows increase aerodynamic drag, sometimes burning more fuel than the AC itself. Tests show differences of only 1 to 3% in fuel economy. Use your AC smartly, maintain the system, and keep windows up at speed. Comfort shouldn't be sacrificed for pennies. Myth 5. Filling up in the morning saves money. Fuel may be slightly cooler in the morning, but gasoline is stored underground in insulated tanks, so temperature changes are negligible. You might save a penny or two at best. Driving habits and maintenance matter far more. Forget scheduling your alarm for 6 a.m. fuel ups. Focus on tire pressure, gentle acceleration, and proper maintenance for real savings. Myth 6. Manual transmissions always save gas. Modern automatics are smarter than ever. 8 or 10-speed automatics, CVTs, and dual-clutch transmissions often outperform manual cars in fuel efficiency. Computers shift perfectly every time, while humans often ride gears inefficiently. Check your EPA ratings. You might be shocked to see your automatic version beats the manual. Myth 7. Letting the engine warm up saves fuel. Idling for 10 minutes before driving doesn't protect your engine or save fuel. Modern engines are designed to warm up while driving. Wait just 30 seconds for oil circulation, then drive gently for a few miles. This method reduces carbon buildup, prevents spark plug fouling, and saves roughly $300 per year in fuel. Over-coddling your engine is actually destructive. Myth 8. Over-inflating tires improves MPG. Over-inflated tires reduce rolling resistance slightly but create uneven wear, lousy handling, and safety risks. Rock-hard tires can wear 40% faster, increase braking distances, and make the ride harsh. Stick to the manufacturer's recommended tire pressure for the best combination of MPG, grip, comfort, and safety. Myth 9. Buying gas from top-tier stations always helps. Top-tier brands like Shell or Chevron may have slightly more detergents, but the difference in fuel economy is negligible. Station quality and maintenance matter more than the logo. Clean fuel from Costco can outperform expensive premium stations if their tanks are maintained better. Spend money on proper maintenance, not brand loyalty. Myth 10. Eco mode drastically improves mileage. Eco mode slightly softens throttle response, shifts gears sooner, and may cut AC power, but it won't save hundreds of dollars. Gains are usually 1 to 3 miles per gallon at best. Real fuel savings come from smooth driving, proper tire pressure, and gentle acceleration, not a driving mode indicator. Myth 11. Drafting behind trucks saves fuel. Tailgating a big truck to cut wind resistance is extremely dangerous. Sure, it might save a fraction of an mpg, but you risk your life and others. Visibility is nearly zero, and braking becomes risky. Don't do it. Fuel efficiency isn't worth a crash. Myth 12. Coasting in neutral saves fuel. Coasting in neutral actually wastes fuel in modern cars. Fuel-injected engines use zero fuel when coasting in gear, but idle while in neutral. You also lose engine braking, increasing brake wear and reducing control. Stay in gear, let the car work as designed, and save gas safely. Myth 13. Always change your air filter for MPG. A lot of drivers believe that replacing the air filter constantly will boost fuel economy, but with modern fuel-injected engines, that's outdated advice. Today's ECUs adjust for slightly dirty filters, so a mildly dirty filter barely affects performance or MPG. Spending $60 on high-performance filters promising huge gains? Mostly hype. The key is to check your air filter regularly and replace it only when it's truly clogged or dirty, usually every 10,000 miles or with your oil change. If the filter is dark gray and packed with debris, swap it. Otherwise, changing it for invisible gains just wastes money. By following this simple maintenance routine, you keep your engine healthy and your wallet intact without chasing unnecessary fuel savings. Myth 14. Gas-saving apps guarantee cheapest fuel. Apps like GasBuddy or Upside promise to find the cheapest gas near you, but they're not magic. Most of the prices are user-reported, often delayed, or inaccurate by the time you arrive. Drivers sometimes spend extra miles and time chasing a reported deal, only to find the pump out of service or the price already changed, burning more gas than they saved. Even a great deal can end up costing you money and wasting your time. The smart approach is to use these apps as a rough guide, not gospel. Focus on stations near your regular routes and prioritize consistency, fuel quality, and convenience. At the end of the day, avoiding long detours and driving efficiently saves far more fuel than blindly chasing pennies on the pump. Myth 15. Keeping your tank full prevents evaporation. Many drivers think topping off their gas tank prevents fuel from evaporating, but in modern cars, this is completely unnecessary. Today's vehicles have sealed fuel systems with EVAP canisters designed to trap fumes and prevent evaporation. Constantly overfilling the tank can actually do more harm than good. When fuel spills into the EVAP system, it can flood the charcoal canister, trigger a check engine light, cause failed emissions tests, and lead to expensive repairs. The truth is, your gas tank is not a leaky bucket. Fill up when you need it. Let the pump click automatically and walk away. Doing this protects your car, prevents costly damage, and ensures your fuel system functions exactly as it was designed. The mass airflow MAF sensor measures air intake so the ECU can deliver the right fuel mix. When it gets dirty, readings are wrong, leading to rich or lean conditions. Symptoms include rough idling, poor acceleration, poor fuel economy, surging, and even stalling, which can be dangerous. The fix is surprisingly cheap. Unplug the sensor, remove it, and spray it with MAF sensor cleaner. 10 to 15 sprays. Let it air dry for 15 minutes. Don't touch it with cloths or blow dry it because it's delicate. Reinstall it and save yourself the $500 replacement cost. Repeat every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. Or when you change the air, relieves pressure and removes unwanted gases from the crankcase. When clogged, pressure builds up and can blow seals, cause oil leaks, overheating, and even total engine failure. Symptoms topping off for myths. Your wallet and your car will thank you. Now that you know which fuel-saving myths are killing your wallet, it's time to take action. Stop wasting money on premium gas, additives, idling, and overinflated tires. Drive smart, maintain your car properly, and use techniques that actually work. If you want more hard-hitting car advice, Check out my next video where I reveal 15 car myths that most drivers still believe. Don't fall for them. Click the video on your screen now and take control of your wallet and your car.